Hello, my name is Melissa and I'm from the Security Tech team. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade Fxos on a Cisco Secure Firewall. Before the upgrade, make sure to meet all the requirements for the process, such as connectivity to the management IP of the chassis, backup the Fxos and logical device configurations, schedule a maintenance window to perform the upgrade. To start, we need to download the Fxos image available on the Cisco software site. To find the correct Fxos image, select or search for your device model and click to the Firepower eXtensible operating system download page and select your target Fxos version. Now, using the management IP of the chassis, log into the Firewall Chassis Manager. Navigate to System Updates. Click Upload Image. Choose File and select the image that you want to upload. After the new platform bundle image has been successfully uploaded, click Upgrade, and it will inform you of any incompatibility between currently installed applications and the specified Fxos platform software package. It will also warn you that any existing session will be terminated and that the system will need to be rebooted as part of the upgrade. Click Yes to confirm that you want to proceed with the installation. Be aware that the Firewall Chassis Manager will be unavailable during the upgrade. You can monitor the upgrade process using the Fxos CLI. Open an SSH session using the management IP of the chassis. Enter Scope System, Show Firmware Monitor, and wait for all components to show on upgrade status as ready. After all components have been successfully upgraded, enter the following commands to verify the status of the security module, security engine, and any installed applications. Show version, scope SSA, show slot. Verify that the administrative state is OK and that the operative state is online. Enter show app instance to verify that the state is online for any logical device installed on the chassis. You can also log into the Firewall Chassis Manager and validate the current version. This can be found on the Overview dashboard. Now the firewall has been updated. Thanks for watching.